Hello and welcome to my studio. I'm packing orders today and I thought I'd pop in here and do a little quick reintroduction packing orders type studio vlog. My name is Pauline Stanley. I'm an artist, illustrator, and designer. I run a product-based business selling art prints, jewelry, and home decor that I design under the name Rare Bird Co. I've been running my art-based business since 2011, and I've been doing this full-time since 2014. Here I am packing up some of my art prints. A large part of my business is selling my products wholesale to small business shops and boutiques around the country and even the world. These relationships are super important to me and to my business. While I love the ease and accessibility in this day and age to sell directly to anyone through my website online, it's also pretty cool that actual shops in real towns and cities also want to carry my work, and customers can come in and shop real life in their own local areas. So it's the start of January and I've got a new sense of energy and purpose in my business, as I always do this time of year. I've got lots of new ideas brewing and I'm trying to take time to cater to some of them. I do identify as a neurodiverse person with ADHD traits, so it is a struggle to navigate this hyper-focused type of energy that this time of year tends to create for me. Strict schedules don't really work for me, so I generally follow the ebb and flow of my energy. I am sort of dabbling into some of these new ideas right now, while also maintaining the usual day-to-day work that my art business creates. I do know that I want to create more this year, and I want it to be joyful, and I want to explore and learn new things. I am planning to create more content on here, though I'm not really locked into the direction of where I'm going with that. I'm just trying some new things. So please do let me know if there's anything you're curious about. Maybe I can address them in another video. And on that note, please feel free to enjoy the rest of this packing session if you're into that, and like and subscribe if you'd like. And I'll be back with more videos soon. Bye-bye.
felt like he wasn't playing the song well, and then he spent more time with us. So, we'll see how we get. But if nothing else, let's remind him to play it